During the auspicious time of the Chittirai month, the annual Meenakshi Brahmotsavam festival started with the traditional ritual of hoisting the flag. Swamiji hoisted the flag, invoking the presence of all the gods and goddess during this Brahmotsavam and declared the event open. The Chittirai Brahmotsavam is the celestial marriage of Devi Meenakshi's experience of Shivoham.
I just wanted to share my experience. Actually, what happened is the other day when Swamiji came and initiated all of us in the Sri Chakra initiation. That time, after that, Swamiji just declared that with this energy, in this energy field, and with this initiation, all of my balasans will be able to read blindfolded. And so when the moment Swamiji told that, I was like, I really felt that it is possible for, actually before that I was just identifying pictures, but I really felt that because Swami has initiated, it will happen. And with that trust, I started reading and I was able to read. And not only me, and many of my friends just started reading, who are many of my friends easily, most of us just put our complete exaggeration on Swamiji, just trusted that because he told it will happen, and almost all of us were able to read blindfolded.
What I became after the Shivam process in Cambodia. So before the Shivam process in Cambodia, I used to play around and I used to not be in integrity in class, and I used to just cry for everything. So when I went to Shivam process, after Shivam in Cambodia, I just started changing. I became more integrated. Then I used to get powerless for everything before. Now I'm just powerful for most of the situations which happen in my life. And then I started being integrated. So, and before I used to say no to life by crying, but now I say yes to life as most of the situations by not getting powerless and standing up for life and being powerful. So, by this, what I understand that Shivam process is. That Shivam process is nothing but just turning the parts of you which say no to life to yes to life. As what Swamiji said, all the parts you say no to life in Shivam process, what I just do is just change them for them to say yes to life. So from my experience, what I understand is Shivam process is nothing but just changing the parts which you say no to life to yes to life.
I was not in a state of mind to come, and I developed acute hand pain, and that's when I decided I'm coming. And after the Shivoham experience and morning satsang, somehow the being opened up to saying yes to Master. I was saying yes, but I believed Swamiji is there. I am here. I cannot go. Swamiji is there and I will pray. But I didn't have that oneness. The feeling of oneness, everything happened. I had the Shiva Home experience, but after the morning satsang, I am actually able to put it in words. The oneness and the me having hesitation to come here and speak in front of so many people. I had stage fears, and I used to stammer in mic, and all that was there. So slowly, all that is just coming down, just shedding off from me. And exactly when the drum beat, when you get that wind, just Shiva pulling you out, just throwing away my incompletions and making me a very new person. And today what experience I had was my heart chakra was just opening, but I didn't have the full glimpse. I had a very just like Spatika Linga coming up in my heart chakra.
Wow.
So that was a very intense experience, and I had the vibrations on my hand, where all I had pain from my head to my arms and my back, everywhere I had vibrations, and I'm feeling a lot more energized.